Hey everyone, in this Device Doctor video, we'll show you how to convert the cartridge of your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227sdn printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions, or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Why is it important to refill or replace the cartridge on time? By doing so, you not only maintain the device's quality, but also extend its lifespan. When a cartridge is completely empty, especially if left empty for a long period, it can negatively affect print quality and potentially damage the device. Here, to demonstrate why you should convert the cartridge, we've printed a test page. See how the print quality has significantly decreased and is no longer legible or visible. It's essential to convert the cartridge now. Now, take the new cartridge out of its packaging and install it in the printer. Note that some covers and parts of the new cartridge need to be removed before placing it in the printer. Remove any extra accessories as shown in the image, and proceed carefully. Before inserting the cartridge into the printer, gently shake it. Remove the seal, and place it inside the printer. Wait a while for the calibration to complete. Now the printer is ready. We'll print another test page to show you whether the print quality has improved. You can clearly see that the print quality has greatly improved with the cartridge conversion. Now you can print with high quality. For more tutorials, subscribe to the Device Doctor channel. See you in the next video.